Cultivating positive habits enables individuals to effectively manage their time, resources, and energy, leading to increased productivity and efficiency in various aspects of life. Additionally, these habits contribute to the development of self-discipline and resilience, empowering individuals to overcome challenges and setbacks more effectively. Moreover, consistent practice of good habits promotes mental and emotional well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and procrastination. Ultimately, incorporating good habits into daily routines lays the foundation for long-term success, growth, and fulfillment in both personal and professional endeavors. Furthermore, good habits impact various facets of life positively. They have a profound effect on health, improving physical and mental well-being by promoting regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management. Additionally, good habits enhance productivity by helping individuals manage time effectively, stay organized, and focus on tasks without distractions. They also lead to skill development and mastery, improving performance in professional endeavors and personal goals. Good habits foster healthier relationships by encouraging active listening, empathy, communication, and conflict resolution, strengthening connections with others. Moreover, good habits promote mental health and resilience by encouraging mindfulness, self-care, and seeking support when needed. By modeling healthy habits, individuals can positively influence others and inspire them to adopt similar behaviors, creating a ripple effect of positive change in families, communities, and society. Overall, good habits are fundamental to achieving a higher quality of life, greater well-being, and increased success in personal and professional endeavors.